In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap icons in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the frame or screen you are working on. Before swapping anything, make sure your icons are set up correctly. Each icon should be an individual component or part of a component set. This structure is what lets Figma recognize icons as swappable items rather than just shapes. Next, select all the icons you want to manage together. Then create multiple components so each one is a proper component, or combine them into a component set if you are organizing them as a family. With an icon selected, go to the Design panel on the right. Open Properties and add an Instance Swap property. Click the plus icon, choose to include all your icons in that swap list. And then close the Properties panel. This gives you a handy drop-down that lets you switch the icon without breaking your layout or overrides. Now, let's look at two quick ways to swap. Method 1 uses the Assets panel. Open the Assets panel, locate the new icon component you want to use. Then hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and drag that icon directly onto the existing icon instance on your canvas. When you drop it, Figma replaces the instance, keeping the original size and constraints. This is great when you can see and browse your icon library visually. Method 2 uses the right-hand panel on the canvas. Select the icon instance you want to change. In the right sidebar, find the Instance section. Click the Component drop-down and pick the new icon from the list of available components. The instance updates in place, again preserving size and layout. This method is ideal when you already know the name of the icon you want, or when you are moving quickly through multiple swaps. As you work, remember that consistent component naming and a clear component set make these swaps faster and less error-prone. If an icon doesn't show up in the list, double-check that it's a component and include it in your swap property. And whenever you swap, take a quick look at alignment and constraints, especially inside auto layout frames, to ensure everything still looks right. That's it. Thanks for watching.